What if I told you that your genetic destiny is not set in stone, that you have the power to influence which of your genes are expressed and which are silenced? For centuries, we believed our DNA was our destiny. But a revolutionary science is turning that belief on its head. It's called epigenetics, and it's the key to unlocking your highest health and longevity potential. Think of your DNA as the hardware of a computer. It contains all the instructions, the code for building and running your body. Now imagine a layer of software on top of that hardware. This software doesn't change the code itself, but it tells the computer which programs to run, when to run them, and how to run them. That's your epigenome. These epigenetic marks are chemical tags that attach to your DNA. They act like switches, turning genes on or off. And here's the most exciting part. These switches are not permanent. They can be influenced by your lifestyle, your thoughts, and your environment. One of the most well-studied epigenetic mechanisms is DNA methylation. Imagine a dimmer switch on a light. When a methyl group attaches to a gene, it's like turning the dimmer down, making the gene less active or even silencing it completely. This is a natural process, but our lifestyle choices can influence these methylation patterns, for better or for worse. Another key mechanism is histone modification. Histones are proteins that your DNA wraps around, like thread around a spool. When the spools are wound tightly, the genes are hidden and can't be read. But when they loosen up, the genes are exposed and can be activated. Again, your lifestyle choices can tell your histones to tighten or loosen, controlling which genes are expressed. So how do we become the conscious creators of our genetic destiny? How do we hack our DNA for optimal health? It's simpler than you might think. It comes down to the choices we make every single day. First, let's talk about diet. The food you eat is not just fuel. It's information that speaks directly to your genes. Foods rich in folate, like leafy greens and other B vitamins, are crucial for healthy DNA methylation. A diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables provides antioxidants that protect your DNA from damage and support a healthy epigenome. As I say in my book, Realizing Your Highest Health and Prosperity Potential, you are what you eat, and your genes are listening. Next, exercise. As a former world-class track athlete, I know the power of movement. Regular physical activity doesn't just build muscle, it sends signals to your epigenome to reduce inflammation, improve metabolism, and even suppress tumor genes. You don't have to be a world-class athlete to reap the benefits. Even a brisk 30-minute walk each day can make a profound difference. Now let's address a major epigenetic influencer: stress. Chronic stress floods your body with cortisol, which can lead to negative epigenetic changes, affecting your mental and physical health. But here's the good news. You can learn to manage stress. Practices like deep breathing, spending time in nature, and connecting with loved ones can buffer the negative effects of stress on your genes. Finally, and perhaps most powerfully, is the role of your consciousness. This is where the work of pioneers like Dr. Bruce Lipton and Dr. Joe Dispenza becomes so profound. Your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions are not just fleeting experiences. They are electrochemical signals that can change your biology. Meditation is a powerful tool for harnessing the power of your mind. Studies have shown that meditation can lengthen your telomeres, the protective caps at the end of your chromosomes that are a key biomarker of aging. It can also influence the expression of genes related to inflammation and immunity. When you enter a state of elevated emotion, a state of gratitude, love, or joy, you are literally signaling your genes to create a new reality. You are becoming the creative factor in your life. The science is clear. You are not a victim of your genes. You are the master of your genetic expression. While you can't change the genes you were born with, you have immense power to influence how they behave. This is the ultimate form of empowerment. It means that your health is in your hands, not just in your DNA. Every choice you make, every meal you eat, every step you take, every thought you think is a message to your genes. You are constantly rewriting your biological story. So I invite you to become a conscious creator of your health. Start today, make one small change, choose a healthy meal, go for a walk, take 5 minutes to meditate. Your genes are waiting for your instructions. If you want to learn more about how to harness the power of your mind to transform your health and your life, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and visit my website. Together, let's realize our highest health and prosperity potential.